Welcome to Digital Purchase Order. This is a quick introduction on how to flag purchase orders. This feature is quite useful, especially if you would like to categorize your POs within the View section. Flagging POs can be completely customized. You can name the purpose of the flag yourself without any limitations, or you can generate multiple user-defined flags in different colors. To activate this feature, please go to Settings and select the Flags tab. Here, you can add a new flag at the top, then assign it a name and a color. However, please make sure that you have permission to flag POs. To check this, go to the Settings section, click on the Users tab, and edit your profile. Here, you can tick the checkbox, Can Flag POs. Once your flags have been set up, return to the View section, where you will see the corresponding flag icons on the left-hand side of each purchase order. Simply click a flag icon to assign that category to a purchase order. If you would like to search for purchase orders by flag, open the filter options and select the desired flag. DPO will then display all purchase orders that have been assigned that particular flag, making it easy to find and manage categorized POs. If you have any further questions, please send us an email to support@digitalpurchaseorder.com or give us a call on +1 888 376 7254. We can also arrange a demo appointment with you. Simply contact us via email and we will schedule a call at your earliest convenience. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Please also check out our other video tutorials on the main tutorial page.